It's a statement coming in from Mamata Banerjee in which she has insulted the BSF Jawans. She says, and I quote, "I told the Malda DM that the SP is incompetent. One of the municipal workers was murdered there today. I personally knew him, provide protection there, and you are coordinating with the BSF to allow infiltrators in." So once again, Mamata Banerjee insulting the Jawans. She says that the BSF has been facilitating passage to the infiltrators, and that the infiltrators have been entering through two main routes, Sitai and Chopra, and it's the BSF that's been facilitating the movement of infiltrators through these areas. Not just that, Mamata Banerjee further says that she says, and I quote, "The BSF is torturing women. Why has there been no protest from your side?" So this is, in the statement, she's referred to the DM and SPs of the region. Mamata Banerjee says that the BSF has been facilitating movement of infiltrators and that the BSF has also been torturing women. Let's go across to Ridhita joining us from the Bangla newsroom. Ridhita, once again, take us to this statement coming in from Mamata Banerjee. She's insulted the BSF Jawans. She says that the infiltrators are being given a safe passage with the help of the BSF personnel.
Correct, Samiksha. We can see that Mamata Banerjee is holding a press conference at Nabanna today, and on the infiltration issue, which is a regular problem in West Bengal now, because we are seeing that this entire week we have noticed that one after another terrorist has been caught from the areas of Murshidabad, and also the rise of Khariji madrasas in West Bengal has arisen. So the areas specifically Sitai, Chopra, Murshidabad, Malda, all these areas are filled with infiltrators. And today Mamata Banerjee has said that it is the BSF. Earlier also we have heard not only Mamata Banerjee but various other TMC leaders has been pointing fingers on the BSF, but today she has made it clear on the press conference saying that it is the BSF Jawans who has made the line clear for the infiltrators to enter the premises of Bengal, to cross the border and enter Bengal. She has said that the BSF is not only allowing that but is also torturing women of the area, and has questioned the police that why is the DM or the SP not taking any action on them? Why are they quiet if the women of that area are being tortured? Why are they quiet when arms smuggling are taking place in that area? She has clearly hinted that it is the BSF completely who is responsible for it, because she has said that even though BJP is trying to point fingers at the Mamata government, stating that the state has a hold on the lands, the border areas, the borderlands, but she has said that we don't have any hold on this land. She is completely denying the accusation made by BJP and saying that it is not in our hands only, it is some channels. She has clearly said that it is few channels of the BJP who is spreading this and trying.
এই সার্ভেটা ঠিক আছে কিনা আর একবার দেখতে হবে। বাদবাকি যে 16 লাখ থাকবে, যারা অত্যন্ত প্রত্যন্ত অঞ্চলে থাকেন, নিতান্তই গরিব মানুষ, সাধারণ মানুষ, ওটা মিলিয়ে রাখতে হবে এখন থেকে। তার কারণ একটা ইনস্টলমেন্ট তাদের আমরা।
All right, let's once again read out that statement that's coming in from Mamata Banerjee. She says, and I quote, "I told the Malda DM that the SP is incompetent. One of my municipal workers was murdered there today. I personally knew him." Further escalating attack on the BSF personnel. She says, Mamata Banerjee says that the BSF has been torturing women. Why has there been no protest from your side? We will read out that full statement again. Let's in fact go across to Ridhita, who continues to be with us. Ridhita, once again, take us to this detailed statement coming in from Mamata Banerjee in which she's insulted the BSF Jawans, saying that it is the BSF personnel who facilitate safe movement to the infiltrators. All right, we will go across to Ridhita again. For now, we should focus to other stories that we're tracking.